Welcome to the online basic course in ultrasound for surgeons, brought to you by the Philippine Society of Ultrasound and Surgery Incorporated. The basic course is composed of 3 lectures covering ultrasound physics and fundamentals, ultrasound instrumentation or knobology, and ultrasound documentation and reporting. The first lecture is Basic Physics and Fundamentals of Medical Ultrasound. It is a 78-minute lecture delivered by Dr. Ricardo Jose Quintos. The second is entitled Ultrasound Instrumentation, Knobology and Scanning Technique. This is a 42-minute lecture delivered by Engineer David Santiago. Last would be a 20-minute lecture detailing ultrasound documentation and reporting. This is going to be brought to you by Dr. Joel Merced. Please use the provided workbook sent to your email address while watching the lecture videos. This will help tremendously in helping you understand important matters during this lecture series. You may Viber your questions to 0917-555-8844 at any time using the format basic, followed by your question or comment. Your questions will be tackled during the live Q&A on June 17. With that, you may now start with the lecture series.